Are you alright, Susie? You should be fast asleep in bed by now.
But I'm scared. I had a bad dream.
Okay. I was like, scared.
Sorry, just go again.
Whenever I give him advice, he gets all angry.
I'm afraid so. Look on his arms.
Line, man.
That's all right.
Line.
Line.
Oh, I see all of you are very prepared.
Talk to him later.
Fine. What do you want?
I need my money back.
That's impossible. I tell you why. Line?
We're barely beyond startup.
Yeah, we're barely behind starting up, and I just borrowed 20 grand from my parents.
No, it's
That wasn't funny, Chloe.
It was for me.
I'm telling Mum and Dad.
It was just a joke. Now off to bed. I forgot my line.
Yeah, especially when I missed the line.
That's all right.
Especially when
Particularly
the guy's involved. I can't say that word.
Particularly.
I changed it. If the guy is involved in Michelle's.
No, quiet, quiet. Okay, we'll pick it up from there, mate. So looking at us. Right, quiet. Right, action.
Especially if the guy's involved with Michelle's case.
Just play it one more time. A bit more, especially if the guy's involved in the case. Be a bit more suspicious about action.
Especially if the guy's involved in Michelle's case.
The Bible tells us everything we need to know. Everything.
That's my line, wasn't it?
You said how to make a living.
Yeah, thanks. Sorry about that.
That's what I said.
Do you want to run that last one?
Yeah.
Well, well, look who it is. Did someone leave the cage open at the zoo?
I need an alibi.
You're not going to become a rock star or a famous actor or a supermodel anytime soon. So, damn it.
No, you're all right, mate. So just.
So you should take. I'll take what I can. You should take what you can in the meantime.
Yeah, so we'll just pick it up from that line, mate.
Yep.
So, and action. Oh, I'll just get you to play that line again. Not the witch's hut, the witch's house.
Hut.
Yeah, we can play a visit to the witch's house and see for ourselves.
Okay.
Okay, so looking at the girls and action.
Again.
You're
I forgot that.
You're not the only investor, you know. And I already I already land born blue.
That's right. So
I already
Is your father home? I need to speak to him. I haven't noticed. No, that's wrong.
Yeah.
Not that I've noticed.
Oh.
Do the high five again. Do the high five again.
Okay. Wait. Awesome prank. Okay.
Aren't we actually filming right now?
Yeah, we are. So stand by. Okay.
Lost something? Shh. I'm seeing if there's any plans for my birthday that Mama would. Oh, can I start filming?
Yeah.
Well, you're not going to become a rock star or a... Damn it, sorry.
But you can just stick with Rockstar. You don't have to say the whole lot.
Yeah, I know.
You're kind of not
Rock
become
star,
anytime soon.
famous actor, supermodel anytime soon.
Yeah,
So
or
you should
just
take what you
Rockstar.
can at any time.
Yeah,
Yeah,
famous
all good.
actor.
I got it.
Mum and Dad are livid about this. Mum and the petite... Sorry.
All right, just pick up right up again. Well, when you're ready, you don't have to rush it out.
Okay.
Take a breath when you're ready.
No, I have my little prince to keep me company.
Prince.
Wait, what's my line?
He's hanging for a cigarette. Sorry, we missed the line about True. Sorry.
Oh, do we?
Yeah, sorry.
Well, we'll just go back.
Delete. There. Done.
Oh, hang for a sec. You've got to bring the video up. You'll need to hit a few keys and then hit the delete button, yeah?
Wait,
So-
do I actually drink out of it and actually spit out?
Yeah, this time you do, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, but now hang
Now
on.
I know.
No, focus up. Now remember, you've got to hit a few keys. Lacey, you've got to hit a few keys and then hit the delete button, right? So, okay, so she's just left and action.
Oh, wait, what? Oh!
Yeah.
Open up, Becky. I know you're in there.
Leave, Sky. What? What?
Well, well, well. Little girl lost. You know you're grounded and not seeing Maxine for 2 weeks, right?
I forgot my line. I'm sorry.
That's all right. Everyone does that.
Here you go. Plastic coffee from Macca's.
Oh, I forgot there's actually water in this one now.
Oh yeah, there is, mate.
Yeah, alright.
That's right. We'll just go again.
Here you go. Plastic coffee from Macca's.
Let's say character.
Okay, wait, yeah, so I'll just say, haha, very funny. You think so?
Yeah, just respond.
After you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
alright.
yeah,
So,
but Rachel's going to cue you in, mate. And so,
yeah.
so action is when she'll cue you in. And
Alright.
action.
Haha.
Didn't-
Oh. No, it's okay. Just focus up.
Alright.
Just go ahead.
Haha, very funny. You think I'm
Oh,
smiling?
no, she's going to give you the line,
Oh,
mate.
right.
But
Alright.
I'll tell you why that's important.
It's having a profound effect on his.
Yeah.
Sorry, what was the line?
Can you help me with that, Sam?
Sorry, now I forgot my line.
If you won't listen to you.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Okay, so just give the line
Yeah.
for a minute. Can you help me, Sam?
Yeah.
How much of it?
Hey, calm down, all right? About 85 grand.
75. Sorry. That's all right. Should I go? That's all right. I can keep going.
You can just pick it up from
Yep.
Yeah.
So,
You go. Yours again. Yours again.
I said, hey, calm down, all right?
Slow down on Terry. Oh my god.
Did you slip?
I nearly did.
Scared the shit out of me. Sorry. Somebody like me has to make it. Sorry. Sorry.
Come on, we're wasting our time. Let's go.
Trust me, this will be good.
It's freezing out here. Wait, what was it? I've already messed it up, haven't I?
So far, it's more like a line drawing than a Rembrandt.
I don't really think so. Just have a look at it properly.
we got to scoot a bit there.
Yeah, my parents don't like it, that's why. It's a bit devious, isn't it?
You haven't answered my question.
Oh, right. Well, my dog just ran away, so I'm just looking for her at the moment.
Try the rubbish bin in the street. So like cafe that throws away a lot of food.
I just cut from it.
Yeah.
You're not learning if your lips are moving.
No. There's no black and white. It's the grey areas we need to look at. And I've totally forgotten the line. Sorry.
Sorry.